AI is changing how we cook. It's like having a master chef in your pocket. AI can help you find new recipes. It can even help you cook them. Imagine a world where your oven knows how long to cook your food. That's the future AI is creating. AI makes cooking easier and more fun. AI is becoming more common in kitchens. Smart appliances are just the beginning. The future of cooking is here. AI can help you find the perfect recipe. Imagine typing in chicken dinner and getting hundreds of options. AI can even personalize recipes based on what's in your fridge. But AI can do more than find recipes. It can help you cook them too. Smart ovens can adjust temperature and cooking time automatically. Some AI-powered tools can even chop vegetables for you. This saves time and makes cooking easier. AI is making cooking faster and more efficient. Many AI-powered kitchen gadgets are available today. Smart refrigerators can create shopping lists based on what you need. They can even order groceries online. Smart ovens are becoming increasingly popular. They can recognize the food you're cooking and adjust settings accordingly. This ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. There are also AI-powered tools for specific tasks. Smart scales can weigh ingredients precisely. Smart stirrers can stir your sauces automatically.